Jay Furman, salute. When Furman lays the track, I hit General Pain back. Then he proceeds to collapse all these fraudulent whack cat spines. Pusha T fashion crack lines. Rather I say rhyme powder, the rhyme 9 will shower. No homo, devour cowards. Killing shoot will rain, give him an hour. That's what we call 4 months in the hood. Word, I wanna take this time to shout out Jay Furman and General Back Pain, man. This whole album came together within like a week. All natural, dudes all got mutual respect for each other, and this is what hip hop is supposed to be, man. My homie out there is like the West Coast Raekwon with his slang, man. Jay Furman, phenomenal producer, and I'm just honored to work with both of y'all brothers, man. Salute. We appreciate fiends consuming when we release the weight. My Inglewood homies keep the plate hot like food trucks on Slauson. Approach comrades with caution. They mistake skateboarders for chumps too often. Gym stars tag faces $1.50 rather costly. I told you on that Questlove beat, get off me. Get off me. Of course I gotta shout out my moms, man, for holding me down through my bed, yo. Ain't nobody trying to be tough, man, but life is real. Moms. They can't stop the boss speaking. So nasty off top, Hicks say I all cheating. I give beats brutal beating, and my skills all peaking. 4 years from now, until then, Capadon says milk this cow. Rhythm gang forever. Blow. Shout out the whole California, Connecticut, the whole Woo England, New York. All my brothers, man, my real brothers, my comrade brothers. Yo. Back Pain. You did your thing, boy. Jay Furman, thank you for this music, man. Yo, salute my man Brent Hall, man. He deserves all praises due. Real friend. Salute the whole Wu-Tang and Killer Bees. The man rolls and dice, yo. If I can leave y'all with one thing, man. Never give up on your dreams, yo.